Where do you see the future of crypto trading? It's a question that stirs the mind, isn't it? Now, imagine a platform that offers a flexible and innovative approach to crypto investments. Yes, you guessed it. Binance, the world's leading crypto exchange, has just unveiled its latest innovation, dual investment products. Think of dual investment options as a two-pronged strategy designed to suit diverse investor preferences. With this new approach, you can set your own target prices and choose your settlement dates, giving you the flexibility to tailor your investment strategy according to your needs. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. The sell high option is for those who believe in their crypto's potential, allowing you to set a future selling price above the current market value. On the other hand, the buy low feature caters to those who anticipate a dip in prices. But that's not all. Binance's dual investment products also offer settlement dates extending into 2024, providing a range of short-term and long-term strategies for you to choose from. And what makes this offering stand out? It's the seamless, user-friendly interface that Binance provides, allowing you to effortlessly select your preferred cryptocurrencies, choose between sell high or buy low, and set your target prices and dates. The auto-compound feature is the cherry on top, providing a dynamic environment for all investors. Beyond just flexibility, these products offer high rewards and cost-effective management. With zero fees upon reaching the target price, it's an appealing choice for those aiming to optimize their gains, weather market downturns, or expand their crypto portfolios. In the face of ongoing legal challenges, Binance continues to look ahead. With these dual investment options, they are redefining the way investors engage with the crypto market, opening doors to unparalleled investment opportunities. And now, it's your turn to step into the future of crypto investment. Explore the new horizon in cryptocurrency investments with Binance's dual investment products. Subscribe for updates and stay ahead of the curve. And don't forget to like, share, and hit that notification bell for the latest crypto insights. Until next time, savvy investors.